Hi everyone, welcome to the third section of this video. In this video we're going to look at how to use AT to schedule a task in Linux. In the previous video we've looked at how to use cron to schedule a task in Linux. And quick one, if you're going to be writing the RHCSA 8 exam or the SUSE Linux exam or the LFCX exam, just scroll down to the end of this website and click on the exam practice questions. Alright, we have over 100 questions that we're going to be updating this website with from time to time. It's better you practice before you write the exam. Alright, so I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below. Okay, so AT, just as cron job, is a program that is used to schedule a task in Linux. Alright, and AT is excellent for tasks that needs to be done just once and not repeatedly. Unlike for cron, it is best and excellent for jobs that needs to be done regularly or repeatedly. So if you just want to execute a job just once, alright, it's best to use the AT utility. But if you want to execute a job repeatedly and regularly, it's best to use cron. Okay, for a user or administrator to be able to run or schedule tasks with AT, the ATD service must be active and running, and to verify that the ATD service is up and running, you use the command systemctl status ATD. Alright, so you can see that the services or the daemon is up and running. Alright, if you don't have the AT package, you can just do your install AT to install the AT package. Alright, so now let's see the step-by-step process using examples of how to schedule a task using AT. So let's do dates, and we can see that the time right now is 00:35, which is 12:35. Alright, so for example, to schedule a one-time task to run at let's say 00:38, okay, we need to use the AT utility followed by an argument. Okay, so for example, now I'm going to use the AT, which means at. Alright, at 00, let's say 38. Alright, then I'm going to press the enter key, which would launch the AT shell. Alright, you can see the AT shell being launched. Hope you can see my screen here. So what we need to do now is to begin to enter the script or the command that we want AT to run. Alright, so just as we did in the previous video, let's do logger. Let's log to the system log file. So let's do logger test2 here. Okay, and we'll press the enter key. So when we are done, we press the Ctrl D to terminate the shell. So you can see that job 3 at Thursday, September 00:38. So let's see the time now. This is 00:37. So by 00:38, the job should be logged to var log messages file, which we're going to confirm now when it's 00:38. So we have some seconds to go. So let's check the time again. So it's now 00:38. Okay, so let's verify. Let's do this. var log messages. Alright, so you can now see that at 00:38, alright, a new session 51 for the user root was created, and you can now see that the job was executed. Okay, to verify the number of jobs that are to run using AT, use the command ATQ to do that, and to remove an AT job also, use the command ATRM, which is AT remove followed by the job numbers. Alright, so the other special argument that can be used with AT are the AT now plus 3 minutes. So when you use AT now plus 3 minutes, that means it's going to calculate the time, the present time, and add it with 3 minutes to execute the job. Alright, you can also use AT 8 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, so that means by 8 a.m. tomorrow, AT will execute a job. Alright, You can also use the 80 1 p.m. plus 9 days, which means it's going to calculate 1 p.m. plus 9 days to execute the job. And you can also use this 4 a.m. March 20, alright? So to see how 82 is somewhat flexible, and to know more about 80, you can just check the man page, alright? So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.